Okay, never mind. We'll put it back into the shitbox category.
Yes. I think it drilled the block. Well, here she is. I can't believe it. Well, Jerry, are you ready to give me a hand on this? I think this is shitbox approved. But anyway, can you give me a hand and start by giving me a hand and open the hood for me?
Sure, man.
Alright. After they gave me the message, the tow truck, bring it to us, the nice guys helped me push it inside, and I did not open the hood yet because yesterday I had things to do. So I'm gonna be surprised it's you guys. So I can see some engine parts.
There's a valve cover. There's an intake thingy. Silicone gaskets.
That's a lot of shit, man. I normally don't do this. It's unfinished somebody else's problem.
Oh boy.
Open the hood for me.
Hey.
It was already open. I think it's the kind of the, you know, the Ferrari hoods when the
Pops into the front.
Yep. No.
Questions. Go on.
Where's the rest of it?
I think it's in the car, man.
What's going on over here?
It was barely on there. Explains a lot.
The hood? Why did somebody took the hood off?
They're trying to do something. What has to happen here?
Well, sir, I'm putting the engine back together, changing the fuel filter, a spark plug, and a valve cover gasket. And that's about it.
Why the long face?
Grab lights. Let me grab the shop light.
A $3 snap on shop light.
All right. So you see, back here in the engine, there is a broken bolt in the cam socket, and that's not fun. So we need to figure out a way to drill it, get it out.
This is just gonna suck, isn't it?
I hope not, man. I hope not. But we gotta do it.
True.
So let's go. I think I drilled the block. Everybody, we're doing something. Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here is pure success. I meant to say success.
That's success.
That's freaking success, man. Look at it. The tap went in here. We got it. What I like to use on my valve cover jobs or any kind of sealing jobs, I use this Abro Grey 999 gasket maker, and it helps seal everything up. What I do is I apply it, a thin layer. This is the finished product. You let this silicone sit for 10 minutes so you get a bit tacky, and then you install the valve cover. Okay, we got the valve cover on there. Everything fixed. Now it's time to put on the intake, because we only got a handful of bolts, show them, in the truck, and that's the only bolts we have to put this truck back together.
It has to work.
God help us all. Okay, Jerry, I hope and I'm confident that we got everything. So let's put on this battery
And give it the beans.
and see what she does. If she explodes up or she starts. That battery. The battery has been boiling for about a minute or two. Why is there no fuel filter on this truck?
I know precisely why.
Look at this surprise.
Splish splash.
Alright boys, I have no idea what to expect, so come with me Let's see what's going on. Oh, Lord Jesus. There's a line missing.
A whole line?
Oh, no, it's there. There was a line missing and a few electrical clips and stuff. Looks like a good time. They want me to fix this fuel line, but this fuel line is completely fucked. And this harness that's going inside the cap is completely fucked. Get out of here. Whoa, you bitch. Put it on. Leak test. Off. On. Off. On. We got no leaks. This is the right redneck way to do this.
All that gasoline fume.
The gasoline fumes is lying underneath there. I'm drunk.
That's why I asked you. How can you work with all that gasoline fume and not get high down there the whole time?
Who said I didn't get high?
Exactly. How do you manage to do it?
Alright, boy, let's see. This battery is crap. 19th time we're gonna try this.
20th time's the charm? 19th time the charm? Oh!
Okay, let it boil for a minute more. Then we got some crankage. Okay, the battery has been boiling for a few minutes, so give it a go, Jerry.
It's time. 3, 1.
There's a vacuum line open somewhere.
What kind of low RPM? Aha.
Hey, wait. Fuel vacuum line is apagado, brother. We found a missing vacuum line back of the intake. Give it hell, Jerry. Give it hell. This son of a bitch! Look at this shit box run. Woo! Wait. Let's get some. Me unos pa quebrado, check this out. Alright, buddy. I think we did a good job with the engine, so let's do the last piece of the puzzle, change out the tie rod ends, and take it off for a test drive, a small test drive, and good to go. We got the part ready for this NASCAR down here, but we don't got no time to spare. We got beer to drink.
Is that how NASCAR works?
I sure hope so.
I think that's how
I will be so disappointed if it didn't. You hit the new part with the hammer so you can damage it.
There you go.
And you put the old turbo. I recommend to get it aligned by a professional. Well, I'm a professional too, but I don't have alignment tools. Forward! Let's take this thing for a spin, my friend. See if it catches some fire. I can't see the back. They got the window delete.
Is that plastic?
Well, the transmission works.
That's a good start.
The car is driving.
Someone's gonna find out. No one's gonna find out how. They're gonna
Somebody's
know.
gonna find out. We didn't align this properly.
we will find out first.
Rattles down there.
hit the bumps right here. See what the fuck happens.
No, because they got stabilizer bushings and stuff. Oh! The truck then fell down. It's still driving. Hello? You go from right.
It's pretty stable, surprisingly.
Yeah, this is a really good shitbox work truck, I gotta tell you.
I don't think it's a shitbox anymore. I think
was.
it was formerly a shitbox.
It came to my garage as a shitbox. Now it's a box. of
There you
shit.
go. Only because we're in it. Only because we're in it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'd just be another box.
Another box. Horn doesn't work.
Okay, never mind. We'll put it back into the shitbox category.
Yes. Okay, hold on. Brake testing. Oh no, there's a battery loose behind it.
It's fine.
It's just testing of the structure integrity. Who parks like this?
This is Mitsubishi owner.
One more,
Little lap.
one more lap. And we got it. Let me show the ladies and gentlemen the dashboard. It's got 70,000 miles. 74,000. Maybe it rolled over a few times. We don't need seat belts, truck.
Not yet.
Not yet.
As soon as we roll this bitch over.
Well, boys, that was it for the Shitbox Danger Ranger. Thank you to Jerry for helping me, and thank you to my tools and stuff to get shit done.
Don't forget to thank yourself.
I'll thank myself too. Anyway, boys, thank you for joining me. If you want to see more old cars get fixed, like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Take care, boys. Be safe.